In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money selling common TV DVD sets on eBay in 2025. If you're looking for a straightforward way to earn some extra cash, reselling DVDs might be just the venture for you. With so many people turning to streaming, physical copies of TV series can often be found at incredibly low prices, making them a perfect investment opportunity. Let's dive into the details on how you can turn this into a profitable side hustle. First, the key to maximizing your profits is sourcing DVDs at a low cost. Places like thrift stores and Goodwill are treasure troves for affordable DVDs, often priced extremely low. Library sales, garage sales, and yard sales are also excellent venues to find great deals. And don't overlook the digital marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp, where people regularly offload DVD sets. Another viable strategy is to purchase DVD lots and break them up to sell individually. When doing your sourcing, aim to pay somewhere between P10 to P50 or about 25 cents to $1 per DVD set. This price range is ideal to ensure that you're set up for strong profit margins. Once you have a decent collection of DVDs, it's crucial to evaluate their value on eBay before listing them. Head over to ebay.com and search for the specific DVD set you're considering. For example, if you have the complete series of a popular show, type that into the search bar. Next, filter your search results by sold listings and pay attention to important categories like whether they're used or new, and the specific region such as US or UK. Many common TV shows still sell for $8 to $40, particularly full seasons or comprehensive box sets. After you've determined their feasibility as a profitable item, it's time to list them like a pro. When creating your eBay listing, there are a few tips to keep in mind. Your title should be compelling and informative. For example, show name Season X DVD set complete, tested, ships fast. Clearly state the condition of each DVD set using descriptors like new, or good, and make sure to mention the condition of the discs. In terms of photos, cover all angles. Include shots of the front, back discs, and especially the barcodes to provide potential buyers with all the information they need. While pricing your DVD set, aim to either match or slightly undercut the sold comps you researched. Although offering free shipping can increase the attractiveness of your listing, it's best to do so if the package weighs under £1. Otherwise, charging the exact media mail postage cost is usually a fair approach. And there you have it, a detailed guide to monetizing common TV DVD sets using eBay. With a little effort and the right approach, you can turn these often overlooked items into a steady stream of income. Happy selling!